At MentalHappy, you can easily create a safe group space online for your potential members. They log into the app, search for your group, read the description, and join your group. We allow you to control privacy settings that fit your needs. By default, all support groups are visible to all MentalHappy users. However, if you want to run a private support group for your patients and clients, you can set up your group to be private and send out invites to specific people. You can further control who can join your group by requiring interested members to request to join your group. MentalHappy users can see your group, request access to join, and depending on the reasons they give, you can approve or reject them. You can schedule in-person or virtual group meetings by setting a date and time and including a description of the meeting. All members in your group are notified about your session and are prompted to register. As you work to help support members, we've created a seamless experience for you to accept a payment through a secure third-party payout service. So at the end of every month, as your members increase, so does your monthly payment. There's so much more we have for you as you begin your journey as a support group leader. We can't wait to watch you succeed.